Hey guys, what's going on? Today I'm going to discuss with you how to order a card on Cash App. So first things first, you have to go to Cash App on your phone. If you haven't downloaded it or if you don't know what it is, it's an app kind of similar to Venmo and PayPal where you can request money, send money, and get money as well. It's free and it doesn't take any fees out as long as it's connected to a checking or a debit card. With credit cards, I believe there is a 3% charge that they charge you when you send money or get money. So I just clicked on my account. So I'm gonna click on the picture here, and then you could go down to funds, it's cash, Bitcoin, bank accounts, and then there's a cash card. It says you could get a free custom Visa debit card to spend your cash immediately. So you would just click on get cash card. So get a free custom Visa debit card to use with your app. Continue. Sign and personalize your laser etched card. Okay. Signing my signature. And you can either edit it or confirm it. Next. Where would you like your card mailed? Okay. I'm gonna just put in an address right there. Street. Buffalo, New York. Then you could go next. Anyway, I don't know why it's coming up that unable to deliver to the entered address. This is not my real address. This is a mock address. Use anyway. Next, confirm your legal first and last name. So you would put that in. Put my date of birth in now. Next, it does ask you for the last 4 digits of your social security number. Next. I'm just kind of doing like a mock last name and address so you guys could see, but basically that's the way you would order it. So it does ask you for your social security number, and it does ask you for your address and your last name, and that's where they could send the card to. And then basically once you do all that, it would take a couple days, and then you would get your card in the mail, and you will get an email saying that your card is on the way. And then you could use this as a debit card to just pay for anything, basically just the way you would with a regular credit card or debit card. You can make a PIN number, which you would activate once you get the card in the mail. So it's super easy and it's totally free. You don't have to pay anything to get the card. I love the Cash App and Venmo app, but Cash App I like even more because you do get your money quicker than you would with Venmo, and there's no fees unless of course you're using a credit card. And look how easy it is. It's like right on the main page that you click on when you click on the app to order the cash card. And then you could also pick what you want to do. So you could auto add cash, you could automatically add funds to the Cash App from your bank, and then that would go onto the card. And then you could pick like which frequency you want to do. So if you want to like say do like once a month or every 2 weeks, and then you could add the amount. I personally just want to add a different amount, probably depending on like, okay, if I'm going to the city for a day and I need like a couple $100 on my card, then I would add, but I wouldn't do the automatic add cash unless it was like I was paying a bill from the card or something like that. There would really be no reason for me to do it. But yeah, it's really private, and I just think it's a really nice way to, to pay for things, request money, makes life so much easier. And then of course with the card, it's nice because it's linked to this account. So definitely really convenient and easy to use. And you could literally, you guys saw all you have to do to get the cash card. You're using your signature, signing and personalizing, confirming the design, make sure you like it again, choosing your mailing address, hitting next. Anyway, putting your last name in, your address, showing you guys again real quick, and then the last 4 of your social. Now that's probably to confirm who you are, but yeah, it's only coming up that the details couldn't be verified. So that just about simply sums up how to order the cash card for your Cash App. Free Visa debit card. Really easy to sign up and super easy to use. Hope you guys found the video useful, and I thank you so much for watching, everybody. Have a great night.